In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Chime Bank account to another bank account. You want to make sure you're logged in, and you will need to input your passcode. You'll then be taken to the home screen. We're going to click on Move Money. Then we're going to click on Transfer from other banks. But you can also click on Transfer Funds because they take you to the same place. So it's really up to you. But we're going to do the transfer from other banks. Once you're at this screen, you have the option to transfer money from another bank account to your account. Or you can transfer money from Chime account to another bank account. So for instance, right here is actually if I want to transfer money from my bank checking account to my Chime. And let's say if I wanted to flip the scenario and transfer from Chime to my other bank account. See, I would just flip it by clicking here. Now, if you haven't linked the bank account yet, you will want to link one. So let's go with the assumption that I want to link another bank account to transfer money to. I click on link another account. From here, you will be redirected to Play to link your bank. It is a service that allows you to log in to a bank account using their portal. And that can serve as a form of verification. From there, you can link the bank account. So I would press continue. Then I would search for the bank account that I want to link. So for this example, I'm going to type in Varo. Then I would just log in with my email address and password. But I changed my mind and I don't want to link my Varo account. So I'm not going to do that. But for this tutorial's sake, you now know how to link a bank account. Let's move out of here, which will take us back to this page. So now we're going to go ahead and transfer some money from my other bank account. For example, if you want to transfer $99, click on transfer. It will then ask me if I want to do this. I'm going to click on yes, confirm transfer and wait for it to process for a bit. $99 is now on its way from my other bank checking account to my Chime account.